What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And as you can see on my table now, my parts are in. Very grateful for that. And it wasn't really much things, but I needed, as I mentioned before, a new pair of slicks because the other ones failed me. And this is the specs for them, but there will be some modifications that we needed to get them onto the 12mm hex hub, so I'll be working on that. And got a fresh spur gear 68 teeth. I plan to get a smaller one, but I just really wanted this car back up and running, so I went ahead and get the normal stuff. But there will be other upgrades for this car, and as you can see here, got the new aluminum diff joint set. And this was or is currently in the car right now, one of the similar setup. And then we have over here is the aluminum, here we go, yes, the reinforced 52 ball differential gear set. But normally what I do with this setup is that I don't use the metal balls that come with it. I just seal it up with the strongest glue possible with these right here, and put the screws and everything through it and get it all tight, and then that's it. So basically you could call it a seal diff because there's no ball bearings inside of it, or no aluminum balls in the middle. So this build has come a long way, because I'm just focus the camera here. Yes, it's come a long way because I remember when I just got this car, I was struggling with figuring out what would really hold up and what wouldn't. And then at this point, come a decent way where now I know the essential things that I need, and I don't really have to upgrade anything else. And then this is what I'm talking about for the Tamiya FF03. So going ahead now and taking off the body. Although stay tuned for this, guys, and I'm gonna spray this up, just trying to get the sides smooth and stuff like that. But yeah, taking off the body now, as I said that I want to freshen up the bearings in the wheels, for the wheel bearings. And then also now inside of here, which is the transmission, I want to see if I can shave it out some more to get a smoother rotation of the gears inside of the case. So stay tuned. I'm going to be doing some up close and personal work with that. And yeah, I've been gone for a little bit, 8 days not posted, but we're here. As I said, I've been working on my all-wheel drive Evolution 5, which is the Tamiya TT02. So stay tuned. I have some parts to upgrade on that as well. But as you guys know, if you're a loyal subscribers, I love my front-wheel drive content. Love to build front-wheel drive cars. So stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe, and there'll be more.